One of the things I have said constantly is you never let a crisis go to waste. Never let a crisis go to waste. Over the pandemic, that was a crisis, but you don't let it go to waste. Here's something great that came out of that. This is a great book. It's called Capturing the Classroom. It is all about utilizing video in the classroom so that you can get the most out of your instruction. This person is amazing. Throughout the pandemic, what did we do in education? We utilized video. All you have to do is push the record button. Push that record button when you're doing your lessons. When you are going through everything, if you push record, now you start developing a video library that you can use for future use. If you have a student that is having a difficulty understanding something, hey, watch this video of me teaching this. Maybe you have another class in another period who wants to learn something. Maybe there's another teacher who needs something that can help them support that. Push that record video. Now that some of the kids are back in the classrooms now, put a camera up there, push record while you're doing some of your lessons, while you're doing maybe your lectures or interactive parts. Keep that together. This book, Capturing the Classroom, it lets you know about everything that you need to do to Ellen Linehan. She's the author. Check it out. This is Steve Bowler, also known as Stand Tall Steve, and that is your Stand Tall statement.